Hello friends, myself Professor Joshi VM from Earthsuch Technical Campus, Chas, Ahmednagar. Today's lecture we have to solve the numericals on all-day efficiency. So we start our numericals. Let's start. First numerical: a 10 kVA transformer has a full load efficiency of 90%. The copper and iron losses at full load are equal. Table shows the loading schedule of the transformer during a day. So calculate all day efficiency. So here one table is given. In this table the given data is given. No load number of hours is 10, full load number of hours is 2, half load number of hours is 5, and quarter load the number of hours are 7. We have to calculate all day efficiency. So calculate the in first step we will calculate the load loss. So we calculate total loss equals to, first we calculate copper loss at full load. Copper loss at full load equals to 4.5 upon 2 equals to 2.25 kilowatt. Okay, after that copper loss at half load. Copper loss at half load equals to 2.25 upon 4 equals to 0.5625 kilowatt. Therefore, total copper loss in a day equals to total copper loss in a day equals to 2.25 into 3 plus 0.5625 into 4. Okay, by solving this we will get 9 kilowatt. So the total copper loss in a day equals to 9 kilowatt. After that we have to calculate the total iron loss. Therefore the total iron loss in a day equals to 2.25 into 24 hours. After calculating we will get 54 kilowatt hour. Okay, therefore total loss per day equals to total loss per day equals to 9 kilowatt hour plus 54 kilowatt hour, means copper loss plus iron loss. 9 kilowatt hour plus 54 kilowatt hour equals to 63 kilowatt hours. Okay, after that we have to calculate the output of transformer. So output of transformer, and here we have to assume the power factor is 1. We have to assume that power factor is 1. Therefore output of transformer per day equals to 150 kilowatt into 3 hour equals to plus 75 kilowatt into 4 hour. After solving we will get 750 kilowatt hour. Okay, now we turns for the all day efficiency, and this is our final solution. Therefore all day efficiency, the formula for the all day efficiency is eta all day equals to output upon output plus losses. Therefore we will get 750 upon 750 plus 63, and we will get 0.9225, or by multiplying it by 100 equals to 92.25%. This is our all day efficiency, that is called as eta all. Okay, this is our final solution. So here we calculate copper loss at full load equals to 4.5 upon 2 equals to 2.25 kilowatt. After that we calculate the copper loss at half load equals to 2.25 into 4 equals to 0.5625 kilowatt. Then we calculate the total copper loss in a day equals to 0.25 into 3 plus 0.5625 into 4, and we will find out the 9 kilowatt. After that we calculate here total iron loss in a day equals to 2.25 into 24 hours, and we got the solution 54 kilowatt hour. After that we calculate the total loss per day, that is iron loss plus copper loss, and we will get 63 kilowatt hour. Then we calculate the output of transformer, and here we consider the power factor is 1, that means the load is connected as a resistive load, and we will get the output of transformer per day is 750 kilowatt. And then finally we calculate the percent efficiency by using formula output upon output plus losses, and we will get the solution is 92.24%. So the next numerical is that the total full load loss of 150 kVA transformer is 4.5 kilowatt, which is divided equally between iron and copper loss. The transformer is loaded as follow: during 24 hours of a load. Calculate all day efficiency. Okay, for this numerical we have to calculate copper loss at full load. Copper loss at full load equals to 4.2 upon 2 equals to 2.25 kilowatt. 4.5 kilowatt upon 2 equals to 2.25 kilowatt. After that we have to calculate the copper loss at half load. And we will get copper loss at half load is 2.25 upon 4, and the answer is 0.5625 kilowatt. Okay, then we have to calculate the total copper loss in a day. Therefore, total copper loss in a day equals to 2.25 into 3 plus 0.5625 into 4. This is the 4 hour and this is a 3 hour. Okay, we consider 3 hour and 4 hour for because the half load is 4 hour and full load is 3 hour. Okay, by calculating we will get total copper loss equals to 9 kilowatt. By solving this we will get this answer. After that we have to calculate total iron loss in a day. Total iron loss in a day equals to 2.25 kilowatt into 24 hour. Okay, by solving this we will get 54 kilowatt hour. Now we have to calculate the total loss per day. We have to calculate the total loss per day. Therefore, total loss per day equals to copper loss plus iron loss, and we know the total copper loss is 9 kilowatt plus 54 kilowatt, and we will get the total loss per day is 63 kilowatt hour. Okay, now we have to calculate the output of a transformer. Output of a transformer. For that we have to assume power factor is 1. Therefore, output of a transformer per day equals to 150 kilowatt into 3 hour plus 75 kilowatt plus 4 hour, and the answer is 750 kilowatt hour. 750 kilowatt hour. Now we moving towards the all day efficiency. Therefore, all day efficiency which is denoted by eta all day, and the formula for that is output plus losses. Therefore, 750 upon 750 plus 63 is total losses and output is 750. By solving this we will get 0.9225. okay, for the percentage we have to calculate this term by 100, and the answer is 92.25%. This is a percent efficiency of all day, or the all day efficiency in percentage. This is our all day percent efficiency. Okay, I hope you understand this numericals. Okay, thank you.